Hi everyone, it's Alex Davidson together with you today. Last week one of my subscribers asked me to record this video and answer the question how he could actually confirm the common law relationship when applying for the immigration together with his spouse. Obviously, as always, when it comes to the immigration to our country, there is no unique answer for that question. There is no way to answer the question directly, simply because there are multiple documents which could actually prove that you're living together, that you are in a relationship with your spouse. So I would probably start with the most obvious one, children. Right? By itself, of course, children do not prove anything, but that would probably be one of the strongest factors which could contribute to the positive decision from the visa officer. So if you do have those common children, yes, probably that would be, I would say, like 60-70% of the weight. If not, well, not a big deal. Maybe you're living together and you got that proof. So maybe you got the documents which would prove that, say, you're renting an apartment together, or you have that apartment or the place where you live in a common ownership. So you got the documents on the property, or you got the documents from the landlord. You might have common trips together, so you were on vacations, you were traveling together, so you would be able to prove those passport stamps, you would be able to demonstrate those airline tickets, receipts, etc. You were, of course, paying for each other. So say you were paying in a restaurant for each other, you were giving gifts to each other on anniversary or whatever. You are actually able to demonstrate, say, that you are paying for utilities or cell phones or etc. for each other. There could be additional documents such as, say, powers of attorney. So you trust your better half to operate your bank account or to operate a car. So say in other countries you would probably require a power of attorney to operate somebody's car, and maybe that could be a proof as well. Additional documents could also include, say, typical grocery bills which you're paying for each other. It could be actually pictures of you and your spouse together on vacations, pictures with your friends. It could be letters from your friends. It could be, of course, statutory declaration which you're signing in front of notary public, where you're confirming that you are in that relationship and living together for more than 1 year, which constitutes the fact that you are actually spouses, that you are in that relationship. So this or that way, you would be able to demonstrate that yes, we are a married couple. I mean, married not on a paper, but married by the fact that you are living together. The more documents, the better, but just please be reasonable. If always you're not sure, if you are not 100% sure which documents to show and which not to show, like how the visa officer would react to our pictures. So say, what should we do if parents were against our marriage or against our relationship, and we are kind of living with each other but cannot provide letters from friends or parents? Come to us. We'll be able to deal with that case like one by one. As usual, at the end of the video you would see my contacts of our team. So come to us directly. Mostly welcome. We'll be able to assist.